My name is Gabriel, and I am the shop manager here at All Fleet at our Winthrop Harbor location. Here at All Fleet, there is a lot of opportunity. There is so much to do. We have from parts runners to diagnostic technicians. We have apprentices, senior techs, great welders, great hardworking people, and we all come together and build All Fleet. When I first started, I was just a helper. I cleaned, swept, breaking trailers apart with help of a senior tech. I started doing a variety of different things, from organizing parts. That way I started to learn and see what we needed here at the shop. So then I started helping order parts, quantities, different quantities, organizing the parts. And at some point I told my boss, hey, I'm staying here, I'm not going nowhere. I've been able to bring my skills that I learned as a civil engineer, as a project manager, and I've been able to grow to be a shop manager. The team here is really great. We work together, we help each other. We all have different backgrounds that complement each other. Sometimes it gets to a point that we know the basics, but however, there's a different model or a different trailer or different problem that we have not experienced before. We are always a phone call away from that additional help. And so that is very relieving that if you go out there, you're not just stuck by yourself trying to figure out how to help a guy in need, you know? I like to be that extra help and get them to that next step so they can figure out the problem so that the driver can go back home. That sense of accomplishment makes me feel good. As a person that has been here 6, 7 years, I've been able to learn a lot and I've been able to pass that on. Every day is different here at All Fleet. There's not a single day that is the same as the previous day. Being a road technician, you're not stuck in the same environment all the time. Here, we get to go to different distribution centers, we go to different locations that need our help, we go to different sides of the roads. So we get a bunch of sceneries, and we wouldn't have the opportunity to do that in many other jobs.